You can hear the aircon on as it's hot outside. Don't worry too much about this client's head. He does rash up a bit, but there's nothing to worry about. It's never been a problem. We're going to attach the system. I've coloured it. It was very blonde when it came in. It was a few months old, so I've coloured it down more to this colour. But we're going to film this as when it's being brushed back. It's going to look amazing still. So it's still blonde. It's actually not as, it's looking blonder on the camera than it is in real life, but you can see just how natural it is. This hair system's a few months old. I think Dan's going to chip into it a bit, so I've coloured it down a little bit because it was getting dry. So that will give it a condition, and this client has quite a long style, and I've advised him to just take the ends off a bit as the system's getting older. So there's less friction when you're brushing the hair, but pretty much keep the same style, but just take maybe a centimetre off. I hope you can see the difference between quality and cheap hair systems by just looking at this. Yeah. What's the name of that company? Lord Hair. Try and compete. Hey, Danny?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought so. It's fab. No, I'm alright, thanks, Dan. I'm busy admiring this fantastic hairline. You've done ever so well to stay very quiet. That's that poker face we were talking about.